I'm sure you'll agree it's not always easy to choose the right pendant for a stairwell or dining area. By watching this video, you will be able to choose and order the various elements to achieve the perfect customised light fitting that will look the part in your specific area. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith. In this video, I'll run through the shapes and sizes and applications, help you choose the drop quantities and positions, guide you with online ordering, help you to decide between DIY or our services, and finally, I'll touch on delivery, installation and aftercare. Let's get started. Here we're going to show you our selection of giant roses. We start with the circular ones, which are ideal for doing areas like stairwells, entrances. We start with the 200mm rose, where we've got a range of outlets to your choice. These fit together with a cross strap with an earth terminal, and the cord restraints grip onto the cord and sit inside the tray, so it's an unobtrusive fixing. In this range of circular ceiling roses, we have the 200mm, the 350mm, 450mm, and finally the giant 670mm. All these come in a range of finishes. For areas like over breakfast bars or dining room tables, we have our rectangular plates. We have two sizes in this, the metre length and the 500mm length. And then square roses used in contemporary settings, we have 350mm square and 450mm square. All these roses we have available in a choice of 4 colours: black, white, antique brass and brushed steel. Once you've decided the size and colour of the ceiling rose, you can order it online if you wish. Simply order the blank, then purchase the number of outlets you want in it. We stamp out the outlets to your specific requirements. The hole will be grommeted and a cord restraint provided with each hole. We charge per hole. We will never make it until we have received your final approval. Whilst our lead times on these are second to none, it is important you take your time and feel comfortable with your choice prior to production. Decide the cable you want. Do you want a braided or a PVC cable? Add up all the drop lengths, allowing plenty of extra for connecting to the large ceiling rose, and order it as a total length. To calculate the average, see our notes below. Choose any corporate lamp holder you like the look of, and ensure it can take a shade if you plan to hang shades on it. If you want Lampfix to make up the pendant, simply order the pendant assembly service according to the number of drops you want. If you want to make it up yourself, that's fine. We've provided product videos on how to use each component part. If one is missing, just let us know and we'll do it for you very quickly. Since we aim to keep all the components in stock at all times, we can turn the bespoke roses in 1 to 2 days and complete with pendant drops in 3 to 4 days. Installation is typically very easy by fixing the bracket to the ceiling and then making the 3 electrical connections. If you have any issue or further alteration required after delivery, simply call us. We're always helping. If you're ready to order, go ahead. If you'd like to discuss your options, give us a call. Thanks for watching.